guys, Dirt Trail Adventures here, back with an install video. Let's get it. Hey guys, Dirt Trail Adventures here. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, just welcome. Today we're going to be installing a UTV phone mount. Fits 4.7 to 6.8 inch smart device. Ordered it from Amazon. Product is made in China, but it was really nice. Made completely solid, or made of aluminum. Tons of adjustability. Squeeze these here, hold your phone right in it. Swivel mount, all kinds of adjustability here. Comes with this clamp here, so you can clamp it on your bar. So today we're gonna try to find a spot that we're gonna mount it, and you guys are gonna come along. All right, guys, we found a spot that we're gonna mount it. Problem is, most of these kits that you buy are going to say that they're good for 1.5 to 2 inch bars. CF motos are like 1.65 or 6.6. Every clamp that I've ever bought that says it's the right size never really fits. If the companies can start putting in like a rubber that you can put around these so that you can bolt them down real tight so they don't move, would be nice. Today we're going to redneck it, and we're going to do a little bit of black electrical tape. So we're going to slide this over here. We're going to put our bolt through it. We're going to use our Allen wrench that was provided with the kit to start getting this baby tightened down. Once we get it semi-tight, we're going to start spinning this around to get it in the position we want it in. And then we'll just tighten her down. You see, we're just tightening her down. Get her as tight as you possibly can, because you don't want this baby moving. If you can hold on to your Allen wrench, that is. That boy ain't going nowhere, guys. So on to the next part. This part has to bolt on this part right here. And we want our phone sitting just like, I'll loosen this up a little bit. And if we have to, we can come back and make some adjustments. We're going to thread this bolt in right here. All these bolts and tools to install this are all included with the kit, so you guys don't have to buy anything extra besides maybe the electrical tape if you don't have any. we got her on there tight. We got some adjustments here, but I don't like the way that this is sitting. So you guys are going to see my video as I'm recording, because I'm going to plop this phone into this kit here so you guys can see how this works. You're going to slide this phone down in here. As soon as it presses the button on the back of this, it automatically grips tight. Holds on fairly well. Test, see if our window will shut. Our window shuts. It's not the perfect angle that I'd like to have right now, so we're going to loosen up the big bar or the big clamp and see if we can't turn it just a little bit. So we're going to have to go back outside. Only got to loosen a little bit. You don't want to loosen a whole lot. You don't want it to fall off there. I think we got the position that I like. Window still shuts. It clears the clamp. If you guys have Allen wrenches that go on screwdrivers that are longer Allen wrenches, they'll definitely come in handy. But you don't need tools. This comes with them already. And everything's tight. Alright guys, so here's the installation. We got it mounted to our roll bar right here. This is bolted with an Allen head right here. This will get tucked back up out of the way, all the way up through the roof. So it's nice and neat. We got our phone right here. And she's mounted pretty good, guys. So I don't think she's going anywhere. Alright guys. Once again, thanks for stopping at the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. And we'll catch you guys later.